Now we are going to estimate the value of L1 by knowing the value of R3 and C4. We are going to measure the R2. The balancing condition is that L1 is equal to C4 into R2 into R3. C4 we know, R3 we know. We are going to measure the R2. The procedure is similar to earlier procedures that we have seen during the Maxwell bridge and Satou's bridge. So according to this procedure, we are going to make the connections. So first we are going to connect the A to L1. So you can see this is the A, the terminal A, which is connected to the L1. Then we are going to connect terminal B to R3. So this is the terminal B which is connected to the R3. R3 is here. And terminal C to C4. So this is the terminal C which is connected to the C4. So after doing that, we will put these two switches on position, and with the help of adjusting the value of R2, we will trying to bring the minimum voltage here. It is on millivolt range, so it is around 58 millivolt now. We will see, we will try to minimize it. Okay, if I go slightly clockwise, it is increasing. If I go slightly anti-clockwise, it is still increasing. So it should be ideally 0, but practically it is not coming 0, but we will try to minimize. So this is the minimum value that we are getting. After getting this value, we have to switch off this S1 and S2 and measure the R2 across the T1 and T2. So on this multimeter, you can see the value that is around 0.313 kilo ohm, that is 312 ohm. The ideal value that is around 346 ohm, but we are approaching near to that. So probably what care we have to take, that when we are balancing the bridge, the R2 is means we are adjusting the R2 at that time, this terminal should be out, and then we have to keep these switches on. Try to minimize this. Once you minimize this value, put these switches off and then try to measure across T1 and T2. So it is coming around the 313 ohm. So using this value and the known value, for example in this case L1 is 3.6 millihenry, R3 is 220 ohm, and measured R2 for balancing the bridge, it is around 346 ohm. So using the balancing condition, you will get the value of capacitor, that is around 0.047 microfarad.